What is epigenetics' role in pregnancy genetic risks? Have you ever wondered how your environment and lifestyle can impact the health of your future child? The answer lies in a fascinating area of science called epigenetics. This field studies how gene activity is regulated without changing the actual DNA sequence. It involves processes like DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA regulation. During pregnancy, these mechanisms play a vital role in how genes are expressed in both the mother and the developing fetus. This can significantly affect fetal development and long-term health. When it comes to genetic risks during pregnancy, epigenetics is key. It modifies gene expression based on various factors, including the mother's nutrition, stress levels, exposure to toxins, and any pregnancy complications. These changes can either increase or decrease the risk of genetic disorders or developmental issues, all without altering the underlying DNA. For instance, complications such as preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, and intrauterine growth restriction can lead to abnormal epigenetic changes. These changes may disrupt gene regulation that is crucial for fetal growth, cardiovascular function, and metabolism. As a result, this can increase the likelihood of diseases in the child later in life. For example, altered DNA methylation patterns can affect genes that control blood pressure and inflammation, which are linked to cardiovascular disease risk in offspring. Interestingly, epigenetic changes can also occur in reproductive cells, which are the sperm and eggs before conception. Lifestyle choices, such as smoking, diet, and exposure to environmental chemicals, can modify epigenetic markers in these cells. This means that the health and habits of parents can influence the genetic risks for their children. From a planning perspective, understanding epigenetics highlights the importance of optimizing maternal health and environment before and during pregnancy. This includes managing stress, maintaining a balanced diet, avoiding harmful substances, and controlling any medical conditions. Taking these steps can help reduce adverse epigenetic changes that might increase genetic risks. In essence, epigenetics serves as a bridge between genetic predisposition and environmental influences during pregnancy. It affects gene expression patterns that can modify the risk of genetic disorders and pregnancy complications. This makes it essential to consider when planning for a healthy pregnancy and minimizing genetic risks.